Hello everybody, and a very big welcome back to my kitchen, where today I'm going to be cooking something a little bit different. I'm going to be cooking a really tasty ham using my slow cooker, but also using some delicious cola. Now the cola makes a big difference, takes a lot of the saltiness away, leaves a lovely flavour, but believe me, it doesn't taste of cola. So without further ado, we're going to carry on with the recipe and start as usual with our ingredients. But prior to this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, give me a share, that'd be great, that'd be fantastic. Thank you very much. So here we go. Here I have a lovely piece of ham. I would have preferred one with a little bit more fat on it, but there you go, this is the best one I could get at the time. Here are the vegetables. I've got a celery stick, I've got one whole white onion, I've got one large carrot that has been sliced up. They're all cut about the same sort of size really. I've got a bay leaf there out of my garden. Here I've got a cinnamon stick, and here I've got about half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, and of course don't forget the cola. There we are, one very large bottle of quite a cheap cola really. So then we move on. Here's the bowl from my slow cooker, into which I place the ham. There it goes, followed by the vegetables. We'll pop those in, just spread them about a little bit, not too much, it's up to you. And a cinnamon stick, poke that inside there. Bay leaf, put that in. Peppercorns, sprinkle those about. This is a really easy recipe guys, and the end result is fantastic. Then we go in with our cola. I'll probably be using most of this, but as you can see, well, as you would know really, it's going to froth up quite a bit. So when it's frothed up, what I'll do, I'll leave that to settle down a little while and then give it a little bit of a top up. It's actually going to go really close to the top of the bowl that I've got here. On with the lid. And then I'm going to take it over to the slow cooker. So in that goes. Then we're going to set the temperature gauge to low. It's quite a basic slow cooker this one, still does a cracking job though. Now while that's cooking, we're going to mix up our sauce that's going to go over the top. And for this we need maple syrup, red wine vinegar and whole grain mustard. I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons full of each. After 4 hours in the slow cooker, I'm going to remove the ham and I'm going to pop it into a roasting dish. You'll have to excuse the roasting dish, it's had a lot of use. Anyway, I'm going to take the top off the fat there, take the skin off very carefully, and of course it did have one of these little mesh baskets around it. I've taken that off too. So we'll take that away and make some little crisscross marks in the remaining fat. Into these crisscross marks, well actually all over it, we're going to go on with our marinade that we've just mixed up. We're going to brush that on, get it all the way over, then it's off to the oven, gas mark 6 for 20 minutes. After which time you can take it out, give it a further basting and pop it back in for another 15 minutes. Then you're going to end up with a wonderful looking ham, just like this. Perfect. Beautiful in the middle, cuts really nicely, and of course you can serve this up hot or you can serve it up cold, it's entirely up to you. But to be honest guys, I mean, this is one of my favourite ways of cooking a ham. So please try this recipe for yourself, you won't be disappointed. You can serve it up with vegetables or a salad, any way you like really, but it's wonderful. Please don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video, to subscribe to my channel, watch further videos. I've got hundreds out there. I'm sure there's 1 or 2 that you would love to make. Thank you so much for watching. It's bye from me, Rog, and bye from my kitchen. See you all again next time.